Welcome back to Mad for Cars, the place where real car lovers hang out. Before we dive deep into the beast we're featuring today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the action on Autovibes, where cars aren't just machines, they're a lifestyle. Alright, buckle up because today we're talking about a real road dominator, the Toyota Fortuner. There's just something about the Fortuner that commands respect. It doesn't scream for attention, but it certainly owns it. Standing tall with an aggressive yet elegant road presence, the Fortuner's exterior is nothing short of impressive. From the signature chrome grille to those sharp LED projector headlamps and sleek DRLs, everything screams bold sophistication. The sculpted bonnet lines, the strong shoulder creases, and the 18-inch alloy wheels give it that muscular vibe that SUV lovers crave. And whether you see it in motion or parked, the Fortuner in shiny white makes a bold statement in any crowd. Now step inside, and the story continues. The Fortuner's interior is a solid mix of practicality and premium feel. The leather seats, yes, genuine leather, give you that plush touch, and the dark brown-black dual-tone dash adds a mature personality to the cabin. The driver's seat is power adjustable, the steering wheel is wrapped in leather with mounted controls, and there's an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The instrument cluster looks sporty yet clear, and there's a cool ambient light setup that gives the cabin a modern edge at night. Rear passengers get plenty of space too, and for a 7-seater, the third row isn't just for kids, it's decently usable. But let's not just sit and admire it. The Fortuner is built to perform. Under the hood, you have two engine options, a 2.7-liter petrol and a 2.8-liter turbo diesel. The real star is that diesel unit, churning out around 204 PS and 500 Newton-meters of torque with the 6-speed automatic gearbox. And trust me, when you step on the pedal, you feel that punch. The refinement is decent, and despite its size, it handles surprisingly well. The hydraulic steering gives a good amount of feedback, and while the suspension is tuned on the firmer side, it smooths out most potholes without fuss. Off-road? Oh yes, the Fortuner thrives there. With its 4x4 capabilities, electronic differential lock, and impressive ground clearance of 221 millimeters, it's a tank in disguise, ready for anything from mountain trails to river crossings. Toyota's always been about reliability, and the Fortuner carries that torch proudly. It's a vehicle you can push hard, and it won't complain. Braking is sharp with disc brakes on all 4 wheels, and the stability control systems work silently in the background to keep you safe on both city roads and rugged tracks. Now let's talk money. The Fortuner doesn't come cheap, but then again, it doesn't pretend to. In Pakistan, prices start from around peak Air 1.6 crore and go up depending on the variant. Yes, it's a premium SUV, but you're paying for power, brand trust, resale value, and a commanding presence that few others offer. For people who want to feel in control and want a vehicle that's just as comfortable cruising highways as it is tackling dirt roads, the Fortuner delivers in every department. So, is the Toyota Fortuner worth it in 2025? If you're someone who loves power, appreciates rugged elegance, and values long-term peace of mind, then yes, it's more than worth it. But if your drive is mostly within city limits and you want more features at a lesser price, maybe look at the competitors. Still, there's no denying the Fortuner has its own charm, and it owns the road like very few others can. Thanks for watching Mad for Cars. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest takes on real machines, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autovibes right now. More Hot Wheels coming your way soon. Stay tuned. Stay mad for cars.